Welcome students to BESL Bite Size Learning. So we'll continue our discussion about types of quadrilateral, and we were left with the last regular shape, which was trapezoid. So trapezoid is different from other shapes that we discussed: square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid is a shape, a four-side quadrilateral polygon that has opposite sides parallel. So opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides. Sorry. So one pair of opposite sides parallel. Right? And in trapezoid, all the edges are not equal to each other. So the sides are not equal. And the angles are not equal. Right? So the angles in a trapezoid are not equal. The sides in a trapezoid are not equal. This is only to show that in a trapezoid, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is the last shape that we wanted to discuss about types of quadrilateral. We will discuss further on these shapes in next lecture. Thank you.